Hello friends, this is Ernest here. Today we're gonna be configuring the HDLC, which means high level data link control. This is a layer 2 protocol that serves as a point-to-point connection between Cisco devices. Now we are going to first of all begin by configuring the host name, enable the interface, and our next task will be to verify which site is DTE, which stands for data terminal equipment, and which site is DCE, which stands for data communication equipment. The site which is data communication equipment is the one that sends signals to the DTE, clogging signals. So without any waste of time, let's begin now. Okay. Good. So let's go to router 2 and do the same. We are simply configuring the name. Now on router 1, as you can see, the interfaces are up. We are going to verify which site is DTE and which site is DCE. So show controller serial, then you put the serial interface number, right? Let's check. Okay, this is DTE, as you can see. Okay, that's DTE. Let's do the same for the other side, router 2. So if you come up here, this is DCE. The clogging rate is 2 million. Okay. Our next step will be to configure the IP address of the interfaces, and we would like to start with router 1. Okay. Config terminal. We'll go into the interface IP address, and do right. We're gonna do the same let's do the same for the other router. Config T. So the same interface IP address, and then exit and do right. Now N. Let's check the interface configuration. for router 2. So you can see those are the interface configuration. The line is up and connected, you know, encapsulation, HDLC, loop back, not set, and you know, so that's the encapsulation. Okay, so now let's do same for so you can see that the interface is up, line protocol is up, and the interface is up as well. You have the maximum transmission unit. You have interface address here, and you have the encapsulation protocol here. Good. Now let's enable the debug on the interface. We start with router 1. So let's bring up debug. Find out what we can debug by pressing question mark space and then shift question mark. You have all the options, so you can debug authentication, authorization and accounting, cryptographic system, you know, EIGRP, ePhone. Let's go with IP. Let's debug IP. Question mark. I'll go with ICMP. So ICMP packet debugging is on. That's it right there. Now let's ping let's ping 172.20.100.2, which is the other router. So you see it's debugging, and it's telling us that success rate is 100% round trip, and as you can see, the source IP addresses and destination is. So that is how you can debug any of the services available on the router. And to see those services, you have to be in the privilege mode, and then you type debug command, and then the space and shift question mark. You'll be able to see what you can debug on that system, you know. Now to end the debug command, or to come out of the debug mode, you simply type on debug and then all. Now you see the debugging has been turned off. So friends, as you can see, we have done a series of things. We configured the host name of the two devices. We're able to bring the interfaces up. We set the IP address, and we check which side is DTE and which side is DCE, and we're able to tell that the encapsulation is being done by the HDLC. So friends, we have come to an end of this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Stay blessed, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye now.